Listen carefully, because the next 24 hours will determine the fate of your portfolio for the rest of 2026. Right now, the entire financial world is holding its breath as the December CPI inflation data is about to hit the tape. While the mainstream media is telling you that inflation is under control, the ground reality in the US is showing a completely different story. We are seeing a massive spike in energy and housing costs that could lead to a hot CPI print, and if that happens, the dream of interest rate cuts is officially dead. But there's a bigger storm brewing. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has just been served with DOJ subpoenas, and he's calling it a political pretext to force his hand. This is an unprecedented civil war between the White House and the Federal Reserve. When the independence of the Fed is questioned, global investors start pulling their money out of U.S. Treasuries, and that is exactly why we are seeing yields spike to nearly 4.8% this morning. Look at the Magnificent Seven. Nvidia and Tesla are already bleeding in the pre-market because higher yields act like gravity for tech valuations. If the CPI comes in higher than 2.7%, expect a massive liquidation event. The whales have already moved their capital into gold and industrial metals, leaving retail traders to fight over the scraps of a dying rally. This is the inflation trap we warned you about. Don't be a hero today. If you are long on high beta tech, tighten your stops or move to the sidelines. Tomorrow, January 14th, the Supreme Court might drop a bombshell ruling on global tariffs that could send the market into a tailspin or a relief rally. This is not a market for amateurs, this is a market for survivors. Are you hedged, or are you hoping? Drop your CPI prediction in the comments and subscribe to Market Minute USA to stay ahead of the chaos. The opening bell is just the beginning.